I always have these binders on hand because if you're organizing for school, work, or home life, they just make it easier. These are the Cardinal 1.5-inch 3-ring binders, and you actually get 4 in one pack, but I'm missing one because my daughter's already using one for her school organization. I really like the ClearVue cover so that you can customize the front, back, and even the spine. And it's non-stick material, so there's no ink transfer or smudging when you switch the inserts. Inside there are 2 clear interior pockets, which are perfect for handouts or loose papers or notes that you don't want to punch a hole in. Each binder holds up to 350 sheets, so you can fit a full semester project or work category in just one. These are reinforced with Cardinal's XtraLife hinge, so they don't tear or split at the seams like cheaper binders do, and they're just extra sturdy. They're simple, sturdy, and organized, exactly what a binder should be.